Hey guys, what if I told you you could use other people's content, upload it to YouTube, and make money from it? Well, it's true, you can, and you never have to show your face. I'm gonna show you how you can do it in this video. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, what is it that you may be doing to make money on YouTube and never have to show your face? Well, this is it right here. This channel called Audio Library has over 3.6 million subscribers, and all they do is just upload non-copyright music daily. Look at this, 30k, 30k, 38, like 49,000 views. And that's just recently. If we scroll down like a little bit, a month ago, 92k, over 118k. I mean, these videos are like doing insanely well, and they're getting a lot of views, and this channel is monetizing all that. So they're getting ad revenue from all these music videos. Well, they're not music videos, they're non-copyright songs, and all they do is just put a picture and let the video play. It's insanely easy, and they're making a killing off of it. Okay, so just to show you how much of a killing these channels are actually making, or this channel specifically, on the low end, they're making around $4,000 a month, and on the high end, upwards of $60,000 every month. So that's insanely good. On the yearly, look at this, $45,000 on the low end and upwards of $730,000. And that's just ad revenue. What if they're doing affiliate marketing or merch or, any other stuff? This is just ad revenue. That's insanely good. Another channel that we can look at that's doing the exact same thing is this channel called Vlog No Copyright Music. Look, they're uploading daily. Look, 6 hours ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3, and look how much views they're getting. They're averaging over 30,000, 40,000 every video, and they're monetizing all these videos as well. And the money just adds up, and people, these videos are around for a long time, so they just get so many videos and so many people are clicking on them. They're making a killing as well. This is the Social Blade statistics for the channels that we just looked at. Vlog No Copyright Music. Look at this. On the monthly, lowest around $2,000 and upwards of $26,000, and then yearly $20,000 on the low end, and that's over $250,000, way over $250,000 just on ad revenue alone. I mean, affiliate marketing, people can make a ton of money on there too. So imagine if they combine the two. Oh my god, you make so much money. And look how many views they're getting. Over 6 million views. That's insane. You're bound to make so much money doing this method. Just give you one more example of a channel that's doing this. This channel is called 1261 Clan, and they've been slacking on uploading videos, but look what they're doing. They're just adding a background and an audio visualizer, and adding the non-copyright songs onto their video, and they're making it a long time. But you don't have to make it this long. But look how much views they're getting, like 818k. 250,000 views right there. Another 250,000 views. Let me scroll down. 11k, 530k. I mean, these people are getting so many views just off this non-copyright music, and it's not their music. Again, they're getting it from other people and just uploading it to YouTube, and then they're monetizing all of it, and they're getting so much money off of this. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how you can start doing this to get non-copyright music, upload it to YouTube, and start making money on YouTube. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to head to soundcloud.com. If you don't know what SoundCloud is, it's a website where musical artists can upload their music for other people to discover them. There's a lot of little artists on here, small artists, and there's also a ton of hit songs that you hear on the radio and everything. It has a ton of music. So what you want to do is, in the search bar, you can search any genre of music or anything, or any artist. So let me just type the Kid Leroy, for example. I mean, you can use any genre or any artist that you want, and you just search them. But what you want to do after you do that is go down to tracks, you could pick any song, preferably one that's like, you know, popular, because they'll have a lot of comments on it. So let me just pick this one. Look right here. What you want to do is scroll down, look at the comments, make sure the comments are recent or fairly recent, so you know you're getting new songs. So what you want to do is look in the comments and start reading these comments. Look, this guy is promoting his new song, Off My Mind. This guy Will JP is promoting his song Family. Let's see if we can find another one. Oh, right here. An Empty. They're promoting the song Empty. I mean, you know, if you scroll down, you can find a ton of people promoting their own songs. So that's what you want to do. And once you find, you know, somebody, go to their profile, listen to the song, make sure it's good. You have to make sure that the song is good, or else it won't perform as well. But listen to the song. Once you find a good song, make sure that they're not a huge artist, because they might have like copyright on their song, but you know, most small artists don't, which this guy, for example, 68 followers, I don't think that he would have copyright on his music. So just to be on the safe side, make sure you hit Instagram so you can shoot them a DM and asking for their permission to use their song, and if they say yes, then you can use their song in the video. And so let's see, let's click on the song. So once they tell you that you can use their song in the video and you explain it to them, what you want to do is just copy the domain of this site and go to a SoundCloud downloader and download the song to an MP3 file. Okay, so once you have found a song on SoundCloud and asked the artist for their permission to use it, you want to head to this website called Musicvidorg. Just type it in and it'll pop up. And whenever you load into here, it'll give you this pop-up. It says load audio. You want to hit load file from computer and get the file that you downloaded from the SoundCloud downloader. I didn't do it because, well, I already had another song that I made. I actually made this song a few years ago, but I mean, I'm using it for an example. So once you load it in, it'll look like this. And what this is that you could just hit play. Ooh. Okay, well, it's a little loud, but what it'll be doing is, well, let me just do this to show you what it is. And it's like an audio visualizer. So what you want to do is, you know, you can change the background if you want, which let's just change it. You know, you want to hit load file from computer. The background, let's just say this. Look, I just uploaded random background, but you know, you can make it like really cool. You could get a high quality image from, say, Upwork. You know, let me see. Upwork. You type night life or any keyword or something. And all these photos are free to use. You know, let me just use this one for an example. All you do is just download it. Starts downloading. And you go back here to musicvid.org and you can change the background. Let me go ahead and change it again to the file I just downloaded. Look, there you go. See? And it looks way better now because it's actually a good image. But you can, you know, you can scale it. You know, mess with the image. Let's say 2. You know, it zooms it in. You mess with the opacity and mirror. Let's see, mirror hole. You know, you can do all that. You can customize it how you want. You can mess with the particles, which more particles. I would say keep it around 800 because it's not too much and it's not too little. But you know, it's all up to preference. You can change the color and all that. Spectrum, you can change the like how it looks. Emblem, you want to get your channel profile and go ahead and go to change image, load file, and let me just use this image as an example, which in this case it would be your channel profile picture, but I just did this for an example. But it would look like this, and you would play the video and it would do the audio visualizer. And once you do that, then you go to export. Make sure it's 60 frames per second so it looks good. And then what you want to do is start encoding, and now start downloading the video, and then you can upload it to YouTube. But let me just start uploading it. Let me just start downloading it. Like here, export. And then it depends on how long the video is, but this one's gonna take around 1 minute. So I'll cut the video to whenever it's done down. Okay, so as you can see, it says done exporting, which means it's done downloading and it's in my files now. So what you want to do is you want to head to YouTube now, and you want to start uploading your video. And in the title, you want to make sure to put no copyright music in there. You have to put this to have your video rank in no copyright music, so people can find your video. So what you want to do is just put the artist, put the name of the song, and then put no copyright music. And that's all you have to do for the title. In the description, you can make it however you make your description. It's all up to you. But what I would suggest is you have to put this in here. You have to just copy and paste, not copy and paste this, but like copy and paste the format of this. You want to include the song, your channel, and you want to include the song, who it's by, and this person put the link, which I don't know why, but you want to give credits to the original artist. And also you can also put their socials and links and stuff to give them credit for all this. And that's all you have to do. So once you start uploading more and more videos, and people start listening to the songs, then once you are able to get monetized, you start monetizing your videos, then the money will just keep rolling in, keep rolling in. And that's all that is to it. And it won't take that long because people are searching for these videos. You just have to make sure your videos rank, and you'll be good. That's how you make money on YouTube, and you never have to show your face ever. So that's about it. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and for more content, and I'll see you next time.